Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Charles-sur-Richelieu is a charming village which sits along the scenic Richelieu River, offering a peaceful and picturesque view of nature and history. Saint-Charles-sur-Richelieu has a significant place in Quebec's history. It was once a thriving market town during the 19th century, known for its industries, including sawmills, tanneries, and butter makers. The community flourished under the influence of Dominique de Bards, a prominent seigneur who established its early prosperity. This village also played a key role in the Patriot Rebellion of 1837, a movement for greater political freedom in Lower Canada. The Battle of St. Charles was fought here, where the Patriots faced British troops. You can still see remnants of this history, making it a meaningful stop for those interested in Quebec's rich heritage.
Thank you very much.
Today, Saint-Charles-sur-Richelieu is known for its beautifully preserved historic homes and religious sites. It's a place where tradition meets natural beauty, surrounded by farmland and offering stunning views of Mont Saint-Hilaire. Whether you're exploring its heritage or simply soaking in the tranquility of the Richelieu River, this village has something special to offer.
Bye.